Hi everyone, welcome to Andrea in Wooldeland. Let's start joining the square in the Granny Christmas socks. This is a row 1, so you're gonna lay all your square in the right side facing up, and we're gonna start in this corner. We're gonna crochet, single crochet in this side, go all the way here, go down, join to this side, go up, go all the way here, go down, and continue in this direction until we reach this corner. I'm gonna tie a knot in this corner. Make a slip knot, tighten, make a first single crochet. This will be half of the corner. Because this is a corner, I'm gonna just make half of it. I mark this as the first stitch, and I'm gonna single crochet along the edge, one single crochet each stitch, reach the corner, one single crochet, chain one single crochet, continue to the edge, and the corner, single crochet, chain one, continue to the third edge. Over here the tail is come out, don't worry, gonna weave in later on. So when you reach the third corner, single crochet one, chain one, but don't finish the corner. Grab the second square, make one single crochet in this corner, and then join with this single crochet. Make another single crochet into the next stitch, join. So this technique is called join on the go. So you make one single crochet in the new square, join with the old square, and single crochet, take out the hook, insert to the next stitch in the old square, put it out, take it in, put it out, one single crochet, take out the hook to the next stitch in the old square, put it in. Just continue until you finish the edge. Then this is my corner. Make one single crochet, insert to the first to one of the single crochets to inside that corner, chain one, make another single crochet to finish the corner, and continue to the other two edge, just for one single crochet in each of the stitch. This one, just as usual, one single crochet, chain one single crochet, again, when we reach this corner, you make 1 single crochet, chain 1, grab the next square, insert the hook into one of the corner, make 1 single crochet, hold onto the stitch, take out the hook, go back to the previous stitch, pull it on. Then the next one, single crochet, take out a hook, go back to the old square, insert in. So that by doing this, you insert, you connect 2 squares together. Yeah, just continue to do. Hold on to it, and to each of the stitch. And this is the corner, chain 1, make another single crochet, and then continue to the side. This is the last corner of my 3rd square, and I will repeat everything to the last square. So over here I already chained 1. I'm gonna grab another square, make single crochet, take it out, insert it in the old square to connect 2 squares together. Then again this corner, chain 1, continue to this 8, and we stop at this corner over here. Okay, so we make 1 single crochet into this corner, chain 1. This is how we finish row 1 to connect the square.